How to create a WhatsApp web shortcut on your desktop. If you use WhatsApp web regularly, you can create a desktop shortcut for quick and easy access. This video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome or your preferred browser. Go to web.whatsapp.com and log in by scanning the QR code with WhatsApp on your phone. Once WhatsApp Web is open, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Now select Cast, Save, and Share. Then click on Create Shortcut. Enter a name for your shortcut, such as WhatsApp, and click Create. The WhatsApp Web shortcut will now appear on your desktop. You can close the browser and double-click the new shortcut anytime to quickly open WhatsApp Web. That's how you can create a WhatsApp web shortcut on your desktop for faster access. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips.